Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will see how we can control our computer from our mobile phone. It is very exciting. So let's see how we can do it. You can also use your mobile as keyboard, as mouse, and even you can shut down your computer, do lots more like you do with your keyboard and mouse. So let's dive into it. Be till the end of the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said.
Okay, so this is the setup file, main file. I'll just double click on it. It will ask the permission, just grant the permission. So the download is started. See, preparing to install and all. So it will basically download a drive in your computer so that it can be controlled. So let it be installed here only. Next, then next, and the installation will start. So as you can see in the home screen of the mobile app, we can connect it to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Means from Wi-Fi means the computer should also be connected with same Wi-Fi and the mobile also, then only this will work. In Bluetooth you can connect your phone directly from your computer. So in today's video we will do with Wi-Fi. See, our drive is added. So after the installation is been done, it will ask permission to shut down. You just need to allow it. See, installation completed successfully. So you can click on close. So now it is asking for restart. So you can just click on yes. to shut down the computer, means restart the computer. And we are also in our mobile screen and also in our desktop screen. So in desktop screen, what you need to do, you can see a shortcut is here. Okay, so in mobile what you can do, you can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So if you have Bluetooth you can do it, but I am having a old computer, so that's why it doesn't support any Bluetooth. So I am doing it with Wi-Fi. Both are connected with same network. Just a second, I'll just connect it. Now I will click on search device. See, it is showing that one device is available. This is my desktop name only, so you can see this one. This is my desktop name only. We'll click on it, so it will connect to my desktop. So see, in our computer it is showing Hi SM-M317F, so the model of the phone. So now you can see it's connected. Now you can see I am not using my mouse, it's been controlling by my phone. So see, I will just, if I need to open Chrome, so I'll go here and double click on it, left click, so it will just open Chrome. So here you can see, you can go to YouTube also, then you can close also. So here if you can see in the phone, here you can see this one, this is for PowerPoint. You can use it in PowerPoint presentation and else everything. This is the volume controller, means if you are watching any film or anything else, you can control it. Like here you can do volume, so my system volume is increasing and decreasing. So you can see that this is the main thing. Here you have all the functions: sleep, hibernate, restart, shut down and log off. So as I will click on shut down, my system will be shut down. So I will not do it, this activity is for you, you can do it. So if I shut down, then my recording will also stop. So here is the icon of the app that you need to install on your mobile phone. Remember to download the original version only. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and if you like this video then please click on the like button. Take care, bye.